Some say that with gold comes weakness and risk. That lies in it the inability to prosper life. We have our doubts about it. In the universe, there are two types of people. Those who like challenges and those who overcome them. Those who fight no matter what storm is coming. These are the ones who choose to do differently without fear of what they might find. They are the ones who show high resilience, who welcome as theirs, who, with them, decide to walk. Those who guarantee to have the best materials in order to offer the best, the most lasting, the most advanced, the most eco-friendly answers. The ones who don't let go of their ambitions, the will to enhance ideas. In the universe, there are those who ally themselves with what is usual. And there are the ones who see an ally in what is least expected. And ours is the cold that is born and produced here. FRICON, cooling life.